Hello RC fans, Racing393. I don't know what it is at the moment, but from not doing any box openings to nearly 3 on the trot, well, this would be the third one, and probably at the moment, the final one for a while, because my wallet cannot take it anymore. So what have I got, I hear you ask? This. Although you probably can't see what it is, but I bet you can guess what it is. And it wouldn't be a box opening if I didn't open it. So this came yesterday. It's got a big sign on it saying, "Do not leave safe." Does that mean leave in a dangerous position? Anyway, I need to get some sharpage. I need a way of undoing this a minute. Let's get this open with my skizzers. You have to bear with me a minute. So finally got this out. It's one of them that until recently, I never heard of. You can guess what it is. Everyone's done one. They've already built them, raced them, wrecked them. You know the score. Oh, hit me on head then. RC10 four-wheel drive. So it's a kit that never really existed. Now the funny thing is with this, I'm not going to actually open the box sat here. It's just not going to be practical. And I can't hold it in a way that, like that. That's ridiculous. So you're going to have to sort of just bear with. Maybe, not maybe anything. Well, my poor wallet has just about had enough now. I mean, the RC10, all those re-releases that have come out, apart from there's 2 of them, the green pan and the one with the chrome wheels, or is it the gold one? I haven't got those 2. I couldn't afford it. And I don't think they were that much different to the other ones I've got. So I started getting the re-releases from the clear. And none of them have been built. So all those RC10s, the buggies, so the clear, J Housey, what's that other one called? The Championship Edition one, I think. Obviously the RC10 GT, the RC10T I've built. There's a video on my channel for that. So it's a bit of a childhood dream. Now the thing is, with this 4-wheel drive, I didn't even know it existed. Back in the day, I would never have known because it wasn't released, was it? And it was only magazines that I would have read about anything to do with RC10 or the Off-Road World Championships. I was aware of it, but I wasn't aware of the intricacies of what people were using. I just heard of the names. There's those iconic names. Team Associated, Reedy, Yokomo. I don't recall Schumacher, but they were there, weren't they? Kyosho, I guess. And I was completely unaware of this 4-wheel drive version of the RC10 until a few snippets had come out on the internet, and you started to read into it, and realise, well, it's a kit that was never really released, only as an aftermarket thought with the RC10, and then there was companies that made the 4-wheel drive conversion for quite a substantial amount of money. I guess people did that, but I would never have known about that. So this is the kit version. It's surprising of how quickly the rumour came out to where it came to fruition, because everything's changed on this. Now this kit, from my understanding, is very different from what the original concept of the 4-wheel drive RC10 was intended. This is just to allow us to experience a 4-wheel drive RC10 in today's world. So yes, it is good. Well, not that you can see it, but the box art here is got embossed, and there's no history to this, I don't think, other than their concept of it. Jay Halsey ran two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, I think, won the two-wheel drive, came second in four-wheel drive using their, there's a picture there, look, their version of the unmarketed four-wheel drive kit. So, yeah, it says on there 61st anniversary. It gets you going a lot. 61 years of Associated Electrics have been going. It's just mental. And a lot of the same people are there, aren't they? So, anyway, this came from, that wasn't what I was going to say, but I might as well know. It came from MB Models. So, I didn't get it from the States because I'm fed up with paying the tariffs and shipment charges now. And I don't know what to do now, as in, build the cars. There's cobwebs up there. Must get rid of them. Build the cars. Yes, I agree. I've got to do something. When this gets built, I don't really know. It's going to be a little way down. I need to build an actual RC10. I keep looking up there in some of my videos. I've got racks of cars here indoors, and up there is the Fan RC, which is a copy of the graphite RC10. So that's the only fake copy RC10 buggy that I've built. Now, I have had experience up to this point of building the RC10T, and that's come along really, really well. So again, there is going to be, I'll put a link down below for the for those videos, and they're still ongoing. So that truck is not finished yet. I was wondering whether you've got one of these. I mean, they're all over the internet. This is the thing. This is why YouTube. This is the good and the negative. So if you want to find out something on YouTube, you just tap it in there, and there it is. It'll be in front, whatever it is within reason. It'll be there. Anything retro, RC related, build techniques, show me how tos, all that kind of stuff. And as soon as something like this comes out, it floods the internet. There's people that have already built them and used them. There's people done box openings, got them all out. Now, I won't do a box opening, so this is not really an actual official box opening. A box unwrapped is what I'll call this. As to when I do this, I don't know. I mean, I've got so many other things going on at the moment, so it'll probably stay in the box now. I'm probably, at the moment, not even going to unseal it. So, Team Associated in the RC10, for me at least, is something which I could never ever dream of affording when I was younger. I mean, I've bought, I don't know how many I've got. So the clear, the actual RC10, I forgot that one when I was listing them. The J Halsey edition, the World Championship one, the RC10T, the RC10 GT. Have I missed any? Don't think so. And this one, the four-wheel drive. Seven kits. What are you? That's just insane. I'm not even going to add it up. Should I? No. Even at like $300 or £300 average. Let's do a math session. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Well, there's over £2,000, and I know they're more than that because they're 400 odd. Oh my life. That's too much, isn't it? And you got to put electrics in them. And in my opinion, there's no point putting cheap naff electrics in these things, because I put some really good electrics in the RC10T and it makes such a difference, because they can be raced, vintage or otherwise. So will I ever get around to doing that? Who knows? I'm still working on my LMP. I hate that thing though. My LMP12. So anyway, that's it. Have you got one? Are you getting one? Are you going to build it? Are you going to race it? What are you going to do? Let me know your thoughts. It'd be good to hear from everyone that's got one. or if you're getting one. My channel is a sort of mix between Nitro and electric. These are sort of the modern electric. I've got loads of modern electric cars to be built in my shed. Um, I can't see myself ever getting around to building them all. One is time, two is space. I don't know what's going to happen in the future. But yeah, anyway, let me know what you're doing. Have you got all these? Are you going to build them all? Have you built them all? Have you not got any? There might be some people out there that are from the same era and thought, sod that, I ain't buying them. Because there was a lot of complaints. There was another video on my channel about people complaining about Team Associated releasing all these in such quick succession. I can understand their moans. I mean, I wasn't against that, but my theory then was, well, we should embrace the fact that they're bringing out these cars. I think it's good. You don't have to buy them, but like me, you think, oh, I need to buy that. I need to have that on my shelf so it can sit there and do absolutely nothing. But let me know if you got one. If you haven't got one, are you getting one? Have you built it? Have you raced it? Have you damaged it? Be interesting. I mean, we're talking about the 4-wheel drive. So that's it for now. That's a quick unboxing, unwrapping, boxing. Let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time.